Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dr. Raju Balram speaking. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is on the George VI series, also known as the Frozen series. George VI series was a set of British Indian coins which was used in India as a means of legal tender during the period 15th August 1947 to 26th January 1950. Now I'll show you the various coins of this series. This is a 1 rupee coin of the George VI series. On the obverse side of the coin, you have the portrait of King George VI, and on the reverse side of the coin, you have the Bengal Tiger. So, this is an original 1 rupee coin of George VI series. This is the obverse side of the coin. You can see the portrait of King George over here. The inscriptions George VI King Emperor. And on the reverse side of the coin, you can see the Bengal Tiger, the country, the year of manufacture of the coin, and the inscriptions 1 rupee in English, in Urdu, and the Devanagari script. Now, for comparison purposes, to give you an idea as to the dimension of the coins in modern times, I'm keeping this 5 rupee coin over here, which is currently in circulation, to give you an idea as to the dimensions of this coin. Next, we have the half rupee coins of this series. This is an original half rupee coin of George VI series. The obverse side of the coin is somewhat similar to the coin which I showed you earlier. And on the reverse side of the coin, you have the Bengal Tiger, the country, the year of manufacture of the coin, and the denomination of the coin, half rupee, written in English, Persian, and the Devanagari script. For comparison purposes, I'm keeping it close to a 5 rupee coin which is in circulation nowadays to give you an idea of the dimension of the coins, and you can see that both the coins are almost similar in dimensions. Next, we have the quarter rupee coins. This is a quarter rupee coin of the George VI series. This is the obverse side of the coin, and you can see it is similar to the first two coins which I had shown you earlier. And on the reverse side of the coin, you have the Bengal Tiger, the country, the year of manufacture of the coin, and the denomination of the coin, quarter rupee, written in English, in Urdu, and the Devanagari script. For comparison purposes, you can understand that it was a relatively small coin. Next, you have the 2 annas coin. This is a 2 annas coin of the George VI series. The obverse side of the coin is very similar to the coins that I've shown you earlier. The reverse side of the coin, you can see the inscriptions is written 2 annas in English, the country, the year of manufacture of the coin, and you can see the inscriptions all round here in 4 different languages of the subcontinent. It's written 2 annas in Urdu, 2 annas in the Devanagari script, 2 annas in Telugu, and 2 annas in Bengali. For comparison purposes, I will show you in comparison with a 5 rupee coin. This is what it looks like. This coin is also a 2 annas coin of the George VI series. However, the difference of this coin and the coin I showed you just earlier is that the composition of the coins is different. The coin which I showed you earlier was a copper nickel coin, and this coin, which has got a more goldenish tinge to itself, is made of nickel and brass. Next in the series is the 1 anna coin. This is a 1 anna coin of the George VI series. This is the obverse side of the coin. You can see that the coin is round and it is scalloped. Now on the reverse side of the coin, it's written, the inscriptions are 1 anna in English, the year of manufacture of the coin, India, and surrounding the coin on the periphery, you have the word 1 anna written in 4 of the subcontinent's languages. This is in Urdu, this is in Telugu, this is in Bengali, and this is in the Devanagari script. For comparison purposes, this is the standard 5 rupee coins which is circulation now, and this coin is made of copper and nickel. This is also another variety of 1 anna coin which was issued during the George VI series. The only difference between this coin and the previous coin is that the composition of the coin is different. The previous coin was made from copper nickel and this coin is made from nickel and brass. Next we come to the half anna coin. This is a half anna coin of the George VI series. This is the obverse side of the coin, you can see it right here, and on the reverse side of the coin is written half anna in English, India, the year of manufacture of the coin, and it's written half anna in 4 of the subcontinent's languages, Urdu, Bengali, Telugu, and the Devanagari script. For comparison purposes, I'm keeping a 5 rupee coin over here which is in circulation at the moment, and you can see how small the coin is in comparison. This half anna coin is similar to the coin I showed you earlier. However, it is made of nickel and brass. This is a 1 pice coin. This coin has the smallest denomination of the King George VI series. This is a 1 pice coin of the George VI series. This coin was one of the smallest denominations of that series. You can see the obverse side of the coin. The year of manufacture of the coin is written, the denomination of the coin, and you can see the crown over here, and the denomination of the coin written in 2 languages, which is the Devanagari script and in Urdu. And on the reverse side of the coin you have a wreath around a hole. For comparison purposes, here you have the 5 rupee coin which is currently in circulation in comparison to this coin, so you know the dimensions of the coin. Well, that's all for now. I hope you got a good idea of the coins of this particular series. Please do like the video, share it with your family and friends, and please do subscribe. Bye for now. All of you have a great day.